Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Who was selected by the India bloc as their vice president candidate? T.S. Singhdeo. Who announced the India bloc's vice president candidate? Mallikarjun Kharge. Who has been chosen as the vice president candidate from the NDA side? Jagdeep Dhankar. C.P. Radhakrishnan is currently serving as the governor of which state? Jharkhand. Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy belongs to which state? Telangana. Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy served as a judge in which court? Supreme Court of India. During which years did Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy serve as a Supreme Court judge? (2008 to 2011). Which new genus of cricket has been discovered in Mizoram? Disparagrillis. Who discovered the new genus Disparagrillis in Mizoram? Scientists from Zoological Survey of India. The new cricket genus Disparagrillis belongs to which family? Grillidae. Recently, where was the BRICS foreign ministers meeting held? Moscow. Which country hosted the recent BRICS foreign ministers meeting? Russia. Who represented India in the recent BRICS foreign ministers meeting? External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Who has been elected as the president of the Indian Newspaper Society, INS? Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma is associated with which newspaper? Aaj Samaj. Which organization recently celebrated its foundation day on 18th August 2024? Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. Who is the current director of the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI? Praveen Sood. Which state recently launched the Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina scheme? Assam. The Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina scheme is aimed at which group? Girl students. Who is the Chief Minister of Assam who launched the Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina scheme? Himanta Biswa Sarma. Which state recently celebrated Chhath Puja as a public holiday for the first time? Assam. Recently, which Indian city was declared as the World Heritage City by UNESCO? Gwalior. Which Indian state's Gwalior city has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage City? Madhya Pradesh. Who is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? Mohammad Mohan Yadav. Which state recently launched the Shakti Smart Card scheme for women? Himachal Pradesh. The Shakti Smart Card scheme was launched for which section of society? Women. Who is the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh who launched the Shakti Smart Card scheme? Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu. Which state recently inaugurated the longest ropeway in India? Arunachal Pradesh. The newly inaugurated longest ropeway in India connects which two places? Tawang Madhuri Lake. Who is the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh? Pema Khandu. Who is the current Chief Justice of India, CJI? D.Y. Chandrachud. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Border Security Force, BSF? Nitin Agrawal. Recently, India's first underwater metro was inaugurated in which city? Kolkata. Who inaugurated India's first underwater metro in Kolkata? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Which river does the Kolkata underwater metro pass under? Hooghly. Who has been elected as the new chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI? Debasish Panda. Recently, which country won the SAFF U16 Championship 2024? India. Who was the captain of the Indian team that won the SAFF U16 Championship 2024? Rohit Kumar. The SAFF U16 Championship 2024 final was held in which country? Bhutan. Recently, which country successfully landed on the far side of the moon? China. What is the name of China's lunar mission that landed on the far side of the moon? Chang'e 6. Recently, who became the first Indian woman to win a gold medal at the World Athletics Championships? Anu Rani. Anu Rani won her gold medal in which event at the World Athletics Championships? Javelin throw. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner, CEC, of India? Gyanesh Kumar. Recently, which Indian cricketer scored a double century in Test cricket against South Africa? Yashasvi Jaiswal. Which Indian state recently launched the Annapurna Yojana for free food grains distribution? Madhya Pradesh. Who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI? Shaktikanta Das. Who is the present President of the United States of America? Joe Biden. Recently, which country hosted the G20 Summit 2024? South Africa. Who is the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Rishi Sunak. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis.